Hello, guys. Do you know that it is possible to do programming on your mobile device? If you haven't tried, I would like to give you a demonstration. So, we will be trying Python programming language. So, for that purpose, first of all, you need a Python IDE on your mobile device. So, I have a Samsung Galaxy phone here, it's an Android device, and I'm going to install a Python IDE. So, first, let's go to the Play Store, and in the Play Store, here at the search bar, type Python IDE. Python IDE. Okay, it's already there. So it gave me a list of applications, and I think I should try coding Python, the second one here, because I have already installed it there. Coding Python. Okay, so I'm just going to open it. And okay, so it already created a program for us. So I'm not interested on this one. So I'm going to erase it all. So the first thing we do is let's write the command print, 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 and parenthesis. And inside the parenthesis, I need quotes. And inside the quotes, I am going to write hello world. Hello world. And then hit the run button. All right, you got your results. So another thing is I can declare a variable, for example, name equal to Charlie Chaplin is equal to 29, and address equal to mm, London. All right, so I have created three variables called name, age, and address. And you can see name equal to Charlie Chaplin, and it is surrounded by quotes. It's because it is a type of a string variable. String means text variable. So the number, the variable is, we assign a value of 29. That means it is a number variable. And the address, again, it is a string variable or text variable. So if I am going to print them one by one, then I am going to type print name. And again, I'm going to type print is, and the same way I'm going to print address. And let's tap the run button. All right, so it printed hello world, Charlie Chaplin, 29, and London. So if we want to know what is the type, what is the data type of these variables, and we can do type type name, and type type is, and then type type address. So let's hit the run button. Okay, so we were expecting the type of those variables to be printed, but we are not getting it. So actually what we are doing is we forgot to print it, right? So let's type print, and then let's do print parenthesis open, parenthesis close, and again print parenthesis open, and then parenthesis close, and hit the run button. All right, we got the data type of those variables. So the first one is string, str means string, and the second was an integer, and the third one is again string. So let's assign another variable like weight. If weight equal to like 65.9, so what kind of variable can this be? So we can check it by doing print parenthesis, and inside this parenthesis we have to do type, and we do weight, and hit the run button. Okay, so its type is float. So anything that has a decimal number, I mean any number that has a decimal in it, they are float. Let's erase all of them, and now I am going to show you some kind of simple mathematic operations. So for example, let's declare a variable x equal to 3 and y equal to 5. So if we want to add these two numbers, then let's declare a variable called sum. It is giving a different color, so that means it might be some reserved keyword. So let's do sum1. Okay, sum1 equal to x plus 3, and let's try to print the result. Print sum1 and hit the run button. It gave us 6. So is that correct? Did we get the right 3? Oh, actually I did x plus 3, that is 3 plus 3 is 6. I was trying to do x plus y, so we expect the result 8, right? Okay. Run. Okay, we got 8. And difference equal to x minus y, and let's print the result of the difference. Print difference. Let's do difference 1 and difference 1. It is just a name, and we give name whatever is convenient for us. So print difference 1. All right, so what can we expect? X is 3 and y is 5. So 3 minus 5 is minus 2, right? Okay, let's hit the run button. Run. Okay, so we got minus 2. And multiplication. So let's do let's say product 1 equal to x star y, and let's print it. Print product 1. Print product 1. So how much is 3 times 5? 3 times 5 is 15. So let's hit the run button. Okay, it's 15. And let's try division. Division 1 equal to x divided by y, and let's print it. Divi then 1. And 3 divided by 5 is going to be a decimal number which is less than 1, right? So it's a 0 0.6. All right, so these are some simple mathematical operations. There are many other complicated mathematics calculations that we can do, and we will be doing it in other lessons. So this much for now. Thank you guys. If you like my tutorial video, please do like button, and if you have any suggestions for me, or if you feel uh, uh, if you have any kind of feelings or any suggestion, just give me a comment button. And if you subscribe to my channel, I'll be encouraged, and I'll be motivated to produce more videos for you. Thank you. See you again.